Hi everybody, welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today we're going to remove a water pressure regulator valve. So the symptom is in a 3-level townhouse or a 3-level house or a 2-level house. You turn on your faucet and it's fine, but then maybe you flush the toilet and you lose flow. And maybe you're taking a shower and it's really low, and you're washing the washing machine and running the toilet and all that. Okay, so go ahead and get yourself a new one like I showed here. It's the same size, and you're going to remove it. It worked out best to remove it from the bottom first, which is where the O-ring is. There is an O-ring, and it's not that hard to break loose. And then, since this is packed on top, I was able to pull it out here just a little bit and just work it together with the 2 wrenches, which is what you're going to want to grab. 2 wrenches. And this big guy came handy too, this 12-inch crescent wrench. And you'll hold it here and work it, turning that somewhere on metal. And just work it and work it. And then when you get it off, you'll have it in your hand like this. There's the top one. And so it just looks blacky, but it was exceeding 75, 80 psi in the house at the gauge when I was reading the house on here and on the faucet. And now that the new one's installed, it's preset about 50. I did bump it up to 60 to try it out. Then I looked online, so 50, between 50 and 60 is all you need to do. And this valve is open. I decided to shut that one off anyway, and then I shut off the main. And it took me about 35 minutes because you're trying to get a hold of this and trying to get a hold of that and not break anything, you know. And then you're trying to hold that and trying to get the wrench to fit on here and slowly turn it. And then you're not going to need this other half because that's right there already. And it had a new O-ring in it, which sits in the groove right there. And then you just install it. And the old one was facing over here. And so I decided to kind of have it out here so you can't access it, but I also couldn't turn it really much more, so I ended up stopping right here. And you all want to install new Teflon tape right there. This is a little bit of the old on top, that means they over Teflon taped it. And then after you get that installed, then you can go back to this one. And this one just gets snug good tight, and because you got the O-ring and it just clamps. So you don't really need to be overly tightening it. Just good and tight. And then well, pretty good. I didn't have to touch this at all, so that worked out. So if you have this style and this design, it's best to get the same fit so you don't have to change anything. And then that just stays on there and just tells you your reading on your tag. And so when you turn clockwise, it goes up. If you go counterclockwise, it goes less. So I hope that helps you out. This is, I could have had it this way, but it'll be okay right here. And you'll want to keep it insulated and protected from heat and cold. And then when you're done installing it, check underneath for any wetness and check underneath from here for any wetness. And if it comes out dry, you're done. And just don't be jerking things around too much because you got your pipe going down into the cement wall here. So other than that, I hope that helps out. It's been a good deal. And we'll be able to learn how to change your own pressure regulator for those who do it yourself. So it used to be like this, and then you would flush it, and then it would start looking like that when it was with the old one. So anyway, it doesn't do that anymore, so that's good. Alright, well, hope this video helps out, and for those who would like to change out your own pressure regulator, Water heaters are not that hard to do. They make sharp bites for right here, and you can thread it on. But anyway, that's another project, and I hope you guys will enjoy that video and find that beneficial. Give it a good thumbs up, and appreciate your time.